So now I'm going to show you how to do the sides and the back. I like to use hair clippers, just makes it life a bit easier if you have it short at the sides and the back. Long length for the top section, medium length for the middle section, short length for the long section, and you basically start with the long section near the top and then you blend the other two areas in. So I've got this at roughly 22 mils in length, so I'm going to do the top section just below my longer length. Just blend it up. Hold the longer hair back. And then the slightly longer length on top, I hold the longer section so I know roughly that's where I want the longer length to be and then the shorter length to start. So I basically cup it with my hand and then I run the clippers up to my fingers. And go all the way around the back. So that's the longer section of the sides, and now lower the length to about 16-17 mils, and I now do the middle section. Blend it in. A little bit missed there. And finally the shorter length at the bottom, about 9 or 10 mil. That's it. Got a nice even haircut. Just need to style it now with a little bit of gel or clay, and you got a nice home haircut. So now I've cut my hair, it's time to style it and I'm ready to go out. So one little tip, I use a little bit of Nivea cream as a nice moisturizer. Model friend gave me this tip. Conditions your hair nicely, it gives a little bit of life and volume. So put the cream in. It just takes away the dryness. It just gives it a little bit of life. And then I use a little bit of clay. Leave it on the finger. Rub it in. Get some warmth into the clay so it sticks nicely. Slide it in and style as you like. I like it not too slick, a little bit untidy on top, but generally, as you can see, it's nice and even. And I've got a nice smart haircut. Good to go. Okay, thanks for watching.